wouldn't make it a thing that you feel like you have to always keep on top of and constantly monitor, but it would be something that I check once, once every 6 months, once a year. If it's something you can offload as kind of just a monthly report, it can be done fairly easily, especially through N-Central using filters. You can create a filtered view, show me anything on, any agents installed with the old version. You can see it in a few seconds. Yeah, and the patch management engine is always going to reflect what the operating system and Microsoft Update says a system needs. So if Microsoft changes their decision or changes their opinion about what an endpoint about what a computer needs or particular build of Windows needs for an update, the patch management engine is simply going to, most of the time, 99.9% of the time, is simply going to honor whatever Microsoft says. We do have there are some manual override rules that exist here and there for edge cases and certain situations, but for the most part, we are simply honoring what Microsoft says the endpoint needs. And if Microsoft changes their opinion from 1 month to the next, it's is it a mess up on Microsoft's part? Did they update their logic? It gets into a whole other set of questions.